How easy it is to profit trading gold with a simple strategy. Yesterday we have seen gold respecting 2018 2020 levels beautifully, and I had mentioned very clearly yesterday that do not sell gold as long as it stays above 2018 2020 zone. Beautifully, gold has achieved the highs at 2030. I hope you all profited with both the analysis which I had shared, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Now, how to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start first. We'll look into hourly. On the hourly charts, again 2030 2032 zone. Again, I am mentioning this is the resistance. It needs to break beyond. If gold stays above 2030 2032 zone, yes, you can buy again. That is the only buying levels you can see for today. Also, on the hourly charts, one must see some very strong support here at 2018 2020. Now it has created the next support at 2022, and it is creating higher lows here. Higher lows, flat top. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. In fact, we can initiate a selling entry at 2022, but then be careful at around 2018 2020, which is going to be a prime resistance zone. If gold drops below 2018 today, then we can expect that it is going to fall sharp. Now see what has happened. The drop here, retracement, lower highs, and it is trading in this channel here where the lows for the day could be at around 2014 levels. Be watchful of this. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and slight bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, consolidation going on. Wait for it to give a breakout. Here also, one must note that it is very near to the bottom of the channel, which is right now situated at around 2010 levels. Stochastic is looking. MACD crossing over here, just crossed over. We have to wait for the next candle. If you see a red candle again, then definitely it is going to diverge more, and we are looking forward to a bearish move. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hours, and nothing different here. Same observation. Very strong support is created at 2018 2020, then at 2022, and it has to break below these support levels in order to confirm the bearish move. Also on the upside, the resistance here at 2030 2032 is very strong. Similar observation, nothing different. The stochastic flat. MACD is still in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hours, and it is the same. Nothing extraordinary different it is showing on this chart as well. A stochastic looking downwards, MACD in green. And see, one must note that see, this is the first wave, this is the second wave, and a crossover here can lead to the bearishness. However, right now it is shying away from the crossover. RSI almost flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, see, since last 2 months gold has been trading in this channel, and it is now almost at the median of it. And since last few days, we have seen gold trading in this bearish channel. Yes, this is a slight bearish channel. We have to wait for a breakout. Now, before we look into further details of it, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Limited seats available. Register yourself now. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details on sale. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Visit the platform forexfunda.com for more details on the services, and there you can also book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. This call is completely free if you are part of our webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the markets. Now coming to the daily chart, see, first of all, if you look at daily chart, see couple of green candles, then one red with second green candle with higher lows and higher highs. What it is trying to do, it is trying to trade with slightly higher lows and higher highs. We have to now wait for it to break below this zone at 2020 2018, below which now see one red candle, a pullback, and this could be the directional candle where it is going to take a direction which is going to sustain for next few candles. Right now it can be either ways. Only reversal confirmation is if you see gold trading above 2040 2042 zone, then we can confirm that gold is trying to reverse. As long as it stays below 2040 2042 zone, we can see a reversal again. Now, also for the day, it is started on a flat note. Thus, a buying entry is again above 2030, 2032 zone, beyond which you can look forward to 2036, 2040, 42 as the next resistance zone. And after that, we can look forward to a sharper rise. So that is the buying entry. A selling entry is only below 2022. You can also sell, but then be cautious as long as 2018, 2022, 2020 is not breached. Bearish confirmation, further bearish confirmation below 2018, where we'll look forward to 2014, and then the stronger support levels will come into picture at 2010, 2008 levels, which is going to remain a great support zone. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do visit the platform forexwonder.com and join the free Telegram channel for live updates. See you again before the US session to watch that update as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.